What?
Then you gotta glide your foot back and push when it's on the toe.
Get